In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the expiration settings for gift cards in your Fresha dashboard. This process will help ensure that your business's gift cards align with the timelines and preferences that work best for you and your customers, maximizing convenience and satisfaction for everyone involved. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. This is the command center for managing various aspects of your business, so you should feel right at home here. Once you're logged in, glance over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different icons representing various features. Look for the gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's your gateway to modifying how different parts of your system operate. Go ahead and click on it to enter the settings menu. Once you're inside the settings, keep your eyes peeled for the option labeled Sales. This section governs your sales-related functions, and it's exactly where we need to be to modify gift card settings. Click on Sales, and you'll be taken to a new set of options specifically related to sales functionalities. Now, once you've landed in the Sales section, look over to the left side again. Here, you'll want to find the option for Gift Cards. Selecting this will take you directly to the gift card management page. This page contains everything you need to adjust how your gift cards work, from price settings to expiration dates and more. Now that you're on the gift cards page, you should see an Edit button somewhere in the middle. Clicking this button will unlock the ability to make changes to your gift card settings. Next, you'll want to scroll down the page until you encounter the section labeled Expiration. This is where you can set the minimum duration for which your gift cards remain valid. Depending on your business model and customer needs, you might want this to be a single year, a couple of years, or perhaps even just a few months. Adjust these settings according to your specific requirements by typing in your desired timeline. Once you've adjusted the expiration settings to your satisfaction, you're almost done. To ensure all your changes take effect, simply click the Save button located towards the top of the screen. This will finalize your new settings, making sure that your gift card policies reflect the changes you've just made. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the expiration settings for your gift cards on the Fresha dashboard. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful in fine-tuning your business's gift card offerings. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing!